matcha tattoos. In this video we are going to talk about this vitiligo pigmentation, and it is a live progressing. So he has a vitiligo white patches on his legs, and we are going to do cover up with the exact skin tone. As you all know, this is the only way to bring the exact output for vitiligo skin color pigmentation, and it does not require any medications to be followed. There is no medicines or tablets you need to be taken care, nothing. It's the most easiest ways to maintain your vitiligos as well as to bring back your exact skin color. As you can see in this video, we are making this exact skin pigmentation and it's exactly matching his skin tone. So obviously it requires the special skills to match the exact skin tone, and there's no bleeding at all, and many of them asking how the pain level is. It is completely bearable. It is not much more painful and all. So we can go ahead with this, and we always recommend you to go ahead with the patch test first. Once the patch test got succeeded, you can go ahead and proceed with the remaining places in your body. Why we require to do the patch test? Because there is a lack of melanin for the vitiligo white patches clients. So we need to understand whether that melanin is in active condition or not. To understand the melanin active condition, we require to go ahead with the patch test. By this patch test, when we are doing it, we can get to know exactly what is their skin type and how it is accepting or not. So patch test, it takes 1 month of duration gap. After the patch test, we can get to know the exact output. It takes approximately 3 weeks to 1 month. Many of the clients having a marriage or something like that, they are coming for getting this micropigmentations done. So please plan it a little bit earlier. Then only you can go ahead with the procedural step by step. Because if you go ahead with the whole process in the body, and if your melanin is not ready to accept the ink, then it's completely a time waste for you as well as the artist also. So you just plan it accordingly bit of earlier. So when you plan it a little bit earlier, approximately 2 months, 2 months is the most sufficient time to plan it earlier. So patch test it require 1 month. Again, if the output comes, so we can go ahead with the remaining places on your body. When you are going with the remaining places in your body, it takes another 1 month to heal. Then you are good to go ahead for your marriage function or any other function or any other occasions in your family. So always plan a little bit ahead when you are planning for this vitiligo micropigmentation. And many of them asking it, are we doing it in any other branches? No, we are doing this only on our Bangalore branch. We are not doing this on any other branches in Bangalore also, particularly only in the Marathahalli branch. We don't do it in the any other branches. So we are recommended you to book the appointment before you come down. Many of the people coming from different places like Kerala, Punjab, and then Delhi, Kolkata, Nagpur, Uttar Pradesh. So when you people are coming from there, please book an appointment and come down. So in that way, you no need to wait for the longer duration. That will save your time a lot. So please, we are recommending you to book the appointments. And the foreign clients who else want to get this tattoo done, please mail to us. We can provide you the visa invitation to you. Once you get the visa invitations, you can come down and get it done. The people who have a visa problems, so some other countries like Singapore, Malaysia, you guys don't need the on arrival visa only, so you can straight away come here. But on priority, just book an appointment before you come down. So let's talk about this vitiligo. We are matching his exact skin tone, and there's no bleeding. There's no much of a wounds. It's so clear, as you can see. So for him, actually patch test got successful. So we are doing it on remaining all the places of his body, and it's providing a great output. He is quite really happy about the output, how it's coming in. So basically what we do is, once we finish this, we'll provide all the precautions, what and all the maintenance he needs to do and not to do. So once the maintenance done, he can go ahead and proceed with the process for another 1 month. So by that way, he can get the exact output. So we are almost come to the end of the video. Stay tuned for the final outputs. Until then, we'll meet in the next video. Don't die nude.